The article we chose is based on two key studies of children's conversational language abilities. The goal was to discover whether the combination of age, lexical diversity, and mean length of utterance could be used to accurately differentiate with specific language impairment from both age-matched and language-matched children. The hypothesis is that these measures very well can be used jointly as a marker of SLI in Cantonese-speaking children. In the first study, lexical diversity and mean length of utterance were examined in a group of 70 average developing Cantonese-speaking children in Hong Kong between the ages of 2 and 6 years old. Each child's language was sampled while playing with a research assistant who was a native speaker of Cantonese and trained in the methods of language sampling. Conversational language samples, each lasting approximately 20 minutes, were based on a play activity that involved bathing a baby doll. The same toys and conversational topics were introduced to every child. All children willingly participated in the activity. The language samples were audio recorded and transcribed into Cantonese and then into Romanized lettering. This was then placed into a computer program designed to calculate MLU and lexical diversity. Statistics used were done to allow for future comparison and to produce prediction algorithms. The second study was designed to determine the validity and clinical use of the sample language measures in Cantonese. This was accomplished by examining Cantonese-speaking children with specific language impairment and comparing them to same age and same language matched children. They were compared to discover whether these groups can be differentiated on the basis of lexical diversity and MLU. 45 kids were sampled, 15 with SLI, 15 of a similar age, and 15 with similar language comprehension. The SLI group was selected from the Hong Kong University Speech and Hearing Clinic, or recruited from different SLI studies. They were between 52 and 59 months old. The age-matched children were 52 to 61 months old. The language-matched kids were selected by their similar language comprehension scores, and they were between 29 and 42 months of age. The results of these conversational samples were then compared with the results of Study 1. Analysis revealed that the combination of age, mean length of utterance, and lexical diversity could be used to accurately differentiate children with SLI from both age-matched and language-matched children. Based on these findings, it seems that these measures can be used together as an accurate marker of specific language impairment in Cantonese-speaking children. In the end, these studies showed how age, mean length of utterance, and lexical diversity together can differentiate groups of children, ones with specific language impairment, both age-matched and language-matched, with a 98% accuracy. This suggests that these measures may be used just as capably as other measures that are currently being used, and may have an advantage over others in that they are computable in any language. Being able to employ the same measures across languages might help clarify the nature of specific language impairment across a language. With that said, we will have to await for further research to determine whether mean length of utterance and lexical diversity can be used to determine specific language impairment in languages other than Cantonese.